This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iMessage check-in is not available issue on iPhone. Follow these step-by-step solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is you have to enable airplane mode for 30 seconds and then turn it back off. And now use a strong internet connection. You can switch your internet between Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi and then check the issue. The second solution is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services and make sure to enable location services and then check the issue. The third solution is open your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on messages, scroll down all the way to the bottom and here you will get this check-in option. So tap on check-in and here select full and then check the issue. The last solution is reset your network settings. Open your iPhone settings and tap on general. Tap on transfer or reset, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and here you have to select reset network settings. Once done, give a simple restart and hope any of this solution will fix your iMessage check-in not working problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.